Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you a new style by Noriko called Hana, and it's in the color marble brown. I saw the promotional pictures and I was very excited about this one. This is available from Adrian's Trenco. When you use my code K20 you will get 20% off. So I haven't even sneak peeked, so I will show you exactly what it looks like straight out of the box. So this is a longer style, as you can see, with curls or waves in it. Comes with a net, and let's look at this. Oh, it's pretty. Look at these fibers. You can't touch them, but they feel really soft. These are NM fibers, natural movement fibers. Lovely. This is a combination of heat-friendly and regular synthetic fibers. What it does is avoid the shine that regular synthetic fibers have, and it gives you that natural movement because, which I found fascinating, it mimics bio hair in a way that our bio hair has different deniers, and so do the two different fibers that they put in here, so that then therefore gives you that really natural movement. Now, just to be aware that these, even though they have heat-friendly fibers in them, you cannot heat style them. It is really just to give you that natural movement and to avoid the overly excessive shine. So you can't heat style it. Let's look at the cap construction. We have a center mono part that is fairly wide, so you can probably part it off center. You have an extended lace front, and that's also nice and deep. And then you have open wefts, sides and back, extended nape with pull adjusters. And then you have the ear tabs that are not velvet covered. Let's have a look. This looks good. The part. I'll show you that now because obviously I have dark hair underneath it, so you might not see it quite as well. So let me just shake it before I put it on. Right. Oh, and the flip, favorite part for me of putting on a wig for the first time. And then just let me run my fingers through it. Put it in the right position. Which is 4 fingers. Yep, that's about right. Right, I don't want to do too much. I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. This is really pretty. So this is like a mixture of curls and waves. I don't think these are beach waves. This is more of a curly style. Really pretty. This feels really light. Let me show you the lace front. That lace front is lovely. Really well done. This lace front feels really soft. I think it's made of a slightly different material than the hard kind of material that we are used to from lace fronts that can be quite irritating. This one feels really pliable and really soft. It's overall really well done. You have these lighter pieces here at the front. Gorgeous. Let's look at the mono part here. Gorgeous. In terms of permatease, can't feel any permatease. Might just be like a smidgen around the open wefts, which we are kind of used to. But nothing big, nothing pillowy here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I prefer my waves a little bit more, not subtle, but just a bit smoother. So I'm just going to comb it through on one side to just show you what it looks like if you do that, and then you can decide which you prefer. And these fibers just feel absolutely gorgeous, really soft. So now on this side, it's just the tag, a little slightly annoying. There we go. So we have one side combed out, and this side just finger comb through when you first, you just naturally do that. Finger comb it through your hair. So have a look which one you prefer. And then let me do the other side because I know I prefer it combed out. This is really gorgeous. And as I said, really lightweight. So you have some layers in here. Frames your face so nicely. I do like this. And then slight layering throughout, I would say. Let me tuck it. Really pretty. So I will do a proper review of this piece very soon. Obviously, depending on when you watch it, it might already be on my YouTube. This is available from Adrian's Trendco. I will put the link down below. Don't forget to use my code K20 and you will get 20% off. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.